Need a quick repair on a broken appliance? No need to wait any longer. With parts on our trucks and our certified technicians, your appliance will be fixed fast. Whatever repair you need, give us a call. We'll send our courteous service technician to your home, and upon evaluating the problem, we'll offer a solution and an estimate on the spot. We'll even credit your estimate towards your completed repair bill. What could be easier? When you put your trust in us, you're making the right choice. Call us now and let us go that extra mile for you.